So welcome back to TradeProFX. Today is another amazing video, and today I want to talk about maybe the people who are doing the forex market. You can see today we had news, that is the CPI news, and this was the candlestick which has made people some dollars. So remember, when we get to the Deriv, we are not affected by news. So congratulations to those who have made it today using this candlestick only. That's the 1 minute candlestick, and the news was at 3:30. So it's better also not to failing not to also look on the forex market. Kindly also be checking there. Let's now focus on the Deriv side. So today I want us to talk about something called risk management. So we have our volatility 10 index. We will be trading over under contract type under, and the digits we want to use are these ones as the stake. So you can see I have 0.35, 0.67, like that, and then from here I've put 0.0000. So in case I lose, I'll lose only these times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the maximum, and I'll have lost 8.36. But adding these ones, so you can tell how much I'll maybe it loses. But it's better for risk management. Then we have whatever we are trading is under digit 7, and we are using that. So from there, we go to the analysis. The analysis is looking based on, we will use the Deriv sniper analysis. So for sniper analysis, we will use the like this. So we will learn. So target, let's say we aim $96. You just go add in 2 USD, 2 USD. That's how you can make something from it. So let's just wait for it to load. We need some good market network, but I guess it's because I've opened so many tabs. So let's give it some time. So I'll refresh it. Let's just refresh, and then we see how it goes. So let's be in refreshing, initializing Deriv dbot. So it will fetch your account. So let's see how it goes. Then go to the dashboard and ensure everything is set well. So my dashboard is well set over under. Remember always to counter check. It is under 7, so I have no issues. So I can click my Deriv sniper analysis and wait it to load. So just be patient as it loads. So in the meantime, let's see how the ticks are behaving on the digits being produced are behaving. So the next point, I'll be wanting to see how the under 6. You remember how we are doing the under 6. So I'll just go to trading view Deriv. So trading view Deriv to see which candlestick is forming. So we'll add the concept of under digits. The under digits, the concept I told you for under 6, and we combine it with the analysis tool to execute under 7. So let's just wait and see how it will behave. So we wait for this one. So we wait just for this one to load well. So as we wait for it, remember we are on volatility market, volatility 10. So let's wait, we see. So on volatility market, volatility 10. So we have so many tabs running, but no problem. So volatility 10 index, and then we want it at, remember we were analyzing using the 5 minutes. So we will just do using 5 minutes. So the market is going up. You can see the candlestick. So let's see if we earned the indicators that we wanted. The triple moving average, triple or moving average triple. Oh, that is multiple, not that one. So just delete it. So I'll just be using moving average triple moving average triple, this one. So that one, and I told you how do you set it. You put this one at 10. You put this one as 15. I mean 40, and then 50. From there you say okay, and then okay. You can see all of them are not above, and we want it to be above so that we can know it's producing under digits. So you can see the what is being produced is under. So that market is very bad for that market, for the entry point. So I'll just avoid that. So for that, let's just avoid that, and then look for a market which is maybe showing us another point that we can enter, that is volatility 25. Let's see 25. Let's just see. Okay, 25 also is not giving us an opportunity. Let's try volatility 25 1S. Let's see how it is behaving. Okay, this one is behaving at least kind of well. So oh no, these ones are up, so we avoid it. So we go to another one which is like volatility 31S. Let's see, these ones they have added recently, so it's not showing well. So volatility 30. So we go to volatility 15 1S. Okay, volatility 1S 15 1S. We can see there is I'm not tested them, but we kind of test, but let's first check whatever we have normally been using. Volatility 10-1S, is it showing an under digit? So we can see still not giving us an entry. Okay, just don't get tired. Don't get tired. Volatility 50. If the candlestick is green and showing up, that's your entry point. So that is wrong. So volatility 50. Let's see how it is behaving. Also not giving us an entry. Okay, volatility 75. Let's see whether it's giving us an entry. Okay, this one is giving us an entry. Volatility 75. Volatility 75, which is giving us an entry. So we go to volatility 75. Let's see here, volatility 75 1S. So here we need to change to 1S. So that way, then over under. Remember, this should be same market. So here you change to volatility 75 1S. So you are trading under. Remember that. So it will change that way. Put under. Then everything leave it. Then remember here is under 7 for both points. So that is under 7. So don't forget that you have everything set. Then you can go back. This one is showing 5 minutes. It has begun going down. So that one is a bad candlestick to execute trades. You can see it's red in color. Thought it was still green. So okay, let's see again volatility 100. Let's just try volatility 100. Maybe it has a green. Okay, red. Okay. Any other like volatility 100 1S? Don't ever force a market. Never force a market to give you the conditions. So again, start from 10 1S so that you can confirm everything. So this one is green, as you can see, despite it has not it's not past this one well, but it is showing you a green candlestick. Despite that, let's just leave that one. It is near to the zone or this zone here and might retrace when we are executing trades. So just avoid anything. Don't force the market. Just choose the right market to trade. This one is better. This one is better. Despite this point, but it's better. This is volatility 25 1S. So volatility 25 1S. There it is. And then over under. Remember that over under. Then under 7. Then under 7. The stakes are the same. So what you have to do is to get in here. It's showing as 1 minute remaining, despite it is on the edge. So you can see where I'm entering. It's not the safest because we have the market has been refusing to go above there, as you can see. If you see that way, you can avoid that or wait for it to pass that point because already it is above these ones. So maybe we can wait for the next candlestick. Let's wait for the next candlestick, guys, for us to execute a trade. At least you understand what we are doing. So the next thing is when you come to the analysis part, you come to the Deriv sniper, you can observe what is happening. You can observe what is happening. I don't know why this one is taking some time. So as it is, wait, let's see. You can see it's going down. So it is assuming as if we are on the red part. So this one will be losses. If you look at the last digit being produced here, the second last, you can tell what digits are being produced. So you should be very careful. So you can just look at it. That is what market volatility. Let me see. Volatility 15. And okay, on ours we have not updated that. So we avoid these. So let's just avoid and use whatever we normally use. So volatility 25 1S showing a green candlestick but not above those ones. So let's get back to volatility 10. We had seen it above. I wish this one gives us a green candlestick. If it gives us a green sure candlestick moving up, we will enter now under digits 4, under digit 6. So we can see it's at least now trying to push the market upwards. So let's now get to volatility 10 1S, then over under, then put this one as 7, put this one as 7, that way. So then change this to 12. So we have 9 that way. You can see, okay. So you can now execute trades using this point here. If the difference is 4 5, so you can see you'll wait for this one to be around 4, the over part to be around 4, and then you run your boat like that. You can run your boat. So like 5, no, okay, I've entered the wrong move, but no problem. So let's wait for the next entry. So that way, let's wait. Okay, let's now wait for a good entry there. Let me show you. So 4, the differences should be 4 something. So let's wait for 4 that way. That should be the entry, and then you exit that way. So 4 8 that way. So 5 7 that one is better. So you're hoping to get another entry. So you wait. Okay, no problem. I've arrows, just okay, 448, it's good that way. So 5, you can see, okay, okay. So 6, so this one is moving super fast, so we need the volatility 10 or less. So let's just wait for volatilities which are less. So this one is moving faster despite our candlestick moving color grain side. So let's look for the ones which are not more volatile so that you can capture the entries and you get out. So 50, 25, let's see 25. Okay, it's moving, it's showing under digit, I mean over the digit 3. We have talked that before. So 25, not suitable. So 50, let's see if it's 50. Okay, okay, not suitable also. 75. Let's see 75. Okay, you can see all of them. They are not giving us an entry for under six. We want under six market. But if you check our conditions for under six, it's not giving us completely. And these are the best markets to execute because they are not volatile. You understand? It's all giving us over threes. I mean, the candlesticks are showing on the downside. So from volatility 10 to 10, 25, 50, and 75, they are not giving us correct entries. And you can see the other one is super fast. Whatever we are looking here, it's going super fast, very fast. So it will tend to produce very many digits at the same time. It can produce even digit 7, 8, 9, so many times at the same time. So maybe what we can consider is waiting for another market, which will give us a good entry and not that fast as much. So maybe let's just use the volatility 10. Let me see volatility 10 despite our entry. So volatility 10 index, despite the entry point where it's not giving us a good point. So we made that 25 minutes. Okay, let's just call it a day because I don't want to force trades. As long as you have understood how it is done, that's the better part. Remember, you check the market should be this way. As you can see the first one, second one, the third one. Then if this one is forming is above, whatever is forming is above and it's green in color, you trade under 6. But now, while trading, remember we will execute using this one. For a small beginner with 10 USD, this is what you'll use. The one using maybe a small USD like 10 USD, you'll use a small account, not that big account like that as it is showing. So if you have 10 to 20, you put the numbers of a value and a value like that, then you execute when it is showing you like this 4988, or you look here 33% you get in. So because when you get into this point, you'll get in using this digit and then you exit using this one, and then the bot itself, how it's modified, it will try to recover in case of a loss. Are we together? That's how you can try it maybe on your backside if all the conditions that I've told you, just avoid the 1S so that you can this market can be stable here. On the analysis, it will be at least stable on the Deriv sniper analysis, because if you try to do it using the 1S, it is very fast, super fast. So you need to just try while doing that point as you can see on what I was looking. You first look for the market qualifications and then you go back. So if we got a good market, maybe which has adhered to our conditions, we could exit. You can see volatility 10, which I normally like trading. Volatility 25, again, not giving me an entry. You can see red in color. So the other one is volatility 50. And then let's see again. Okay, no entry. You see these ones are on the top part, these ones. So the candlestick being green should be appearing at this point. Hope we are together. Just try that. Then come back and tell me how you are getting to understand. So volatility 75, let's see, not giving us an entry, but no problem. As long as you have understood, that's the end goal. So you can see all of them, no entries. So I should not see someone trading maybe during these hours, because most of the time you will tend to produce digits above digit 6. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.